blockchain is just cryptocurrency, right? Not quite. Today we're busting some of the biggest blockchain myths. Let's dive in. Myth number 1. Blockchain is only about cryptocurrency. Many people think blockchain is used only for cryptocurrencies, but the truth is, it's so much more. This technology has long evolved beyond digital money. Take Ton, for example. It powers Ton domains, decentralized domain names, Ton storage, distributed data storage, and even supports games, ticketing, and digital identity tools. Myth number 2. Blockchain is completely anonymous. Blockchain offers some level of privacy, but not complete anonymity. Instead of real names, unique wallet addresses are used. But as soon as someone links your wallet to your identity, all your transactions, NFT collections, staking activities, and even trading successes becomes visible. And with specialized tools, uncovering this information can be surprisingly easy. Myth number 3. Cryptocurrencies are just financial pyramids. This widespread myth stems from scammers who exploit blockchain for shady schemes. Financial pyramids rely on money from new users to pay earlier ones with no real value being created. Legitimate blockchain projects, on the other hand, are built on transparent code, open ecosystems, and real-world use cases. Ton is a prime example. It develops openly, powering payments, games, NFTs, and DeFi tools used by millions every day. Its value comes from utility, not from recruitment or hype. Myth number 4. Blockchain is only for tech experts. In the past, this might have been true, but not anymore. Today, blockchains like Ton are designed with everyday users in mind. You don't need to know how to code or understand complex finance. With tools like Wallet, which lets you send crypto as easily as a Telegram message, and games like Boxing Star X or Animal Village, right inside Telegram, an app used by over 1 billion people, getting started feels familiar and effortless. Thanks to intuitive design and a user-friendly ecosystem, exploring Ton blockchain is now something anyone can do, even if it's your first time. Myth number 5. Ton is just a copy of other blockchains. Ton is often accused of copying other networks, but its architecture tells a different story. With a multi-layered structure and dynamic sharding, it can process up to 100,000 transactions per second. It's like having multiple checkout counters at a store, so even during peak times, transactions remain fast and hassle-free. Blockchain is not just about crypto, and it's definitely not just for experts. Ton shows how far the tech has come and how accessible the future can be. Enjoyed this myth-busting session? Give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss new episodes. Let us know in the comments below. Which myth surprised you the most?